Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
Good. Concerned voters movement. At the end of the fire, your new plan, company, ye betumu.
Your Henemedase, Mechia, Nika for Ghana for New Plan Ghana Limited. Yara host there are buying a Timatnaho. Why I na company no. Ebabe close it down officially. It's Friday, 31st January. It's very sad, it's very pathetic. Because so far, the shareholding structure of New Plan Ghana Limited are buying a majority shareholder, over 55%. Now, remaining 45, it belonging to a private firm. They are basically in charge of the day-to-day operations and management. And are buying in charge of the board. Now, only the company, the board are in charge as part of policymakers. No Plan Social Transport Ministry, I say. Yang concerned voters movement. They believe say if New Plan shut down, a total embarrassment to President Kufuor's government. Because New Plan Ghana Limited was established by Buzian government. President Kufuor in 2002. And a moment New Plan 4 contract, Emo Mutimi Assemble, DAF PDF buses about 450. And they share Metro Mass Transit. Since then, Professor Mes by when few or more, John Mahama by when few or more. Neaman Katamesuma by Ayabanswa. Getting to 4 years, ye fee company no. Our company no, ye be close to the down by Friday. Emma Ghana for airport fee. Amount for you might be bow. Is that how we it's very sad. And I think maybe President or not aware is a sector minister who is supposed to make sure say things are done properly. Tina President Kufuor don't got na honor. You got now 3 years here as a sector minister with your deputy. Now Trona New Plan Ghana Limited buy 55% share with a close to down Friday. What is your business in office as the minister and you as the deputy minister? It's very sad. Why should say Yeni Ankataya buy in 2002 F1 company managed now Manasu? But they say NDC for buy or buy few. Yes, I have Bima. Yes, said now I'm a buy a company of internal memoir. Yeah, intercepted how much trauma staff food in our audio plan. Say because I buy M1 or majority shareholder M1 M1 our contract, now buy no agile company no thing. Now I resorted to importation of buses from China, Korea, India, and the rest. It's sad. It's very sad. I mean, who the word to use?
It's not sad.
High level of incompetence. If or trauma company it close to down Friday, I think the president should fire him.
Agile Transport Minister.
Of course. Because that company, you are supposed to make sure, say, company Abuzia, setting up. President Kufuor Breso, or Mani Tinan and Naso. NDC for buy or Momani Kukuto. Yeah, about 3-4 years. Yes, we have a trauma company, I could have to cry on Friday. Is that how you promote industrialization? Is that how you create jobs? Why people are losing jobs? Transport minister, no? I mean, one friend, no more they say, or better as the transport minister, or the deputy. Or my demand farm where we are more Ghana Limited. Company, no? Or more, I see a mobile close to the down Friday. Osha Daily Graph or something that is there. Internal memo my trauma staff now, staff of only soon, then Friday, your moon may be so much due to the incompetence of that sector.
Okay. Now,
so Prime Minister, no, he has questions to answer. Because company about one majority shareholder 55%. And then I will travel under your watch as a sector minister. It's an embarrassment to our government. An embarrassment to our down with their tradition, which we shouldn't allow it to happen.
It's the woman is more finding out. Say yan tumua na just say yan pebbles yan fentu adwuma yefo no kasa na dia na say
Yes, I buy no any say ya president for Aben so 2002. Obobu akofin ni mo mu gina mo na so mo contract e mo timi assemble 450 passes e ma metro mass transit no. We should able to give them those contracts. Na metro masses buses are mo ye free outside no. This new plan Ghana Limited or might demonstrate competent beyond reasonable doubt because money I don't share metro matter that they can be a backbone to the metro man and other state transport company. Why I say yeah support to with contract and with immediate effect now. About 5 prime so with the board and the management akata. Now almost at the first deadline of what they are back. Obey ye through on. Say be a staff for no say a rewarding idea or more go through no be through on. Now moving forward, you know, about who kind of a fast one no plan and also. If the government can say the 55% share no. Were you interested at it can give it to a private entity so that that private company can partner the existing private company of 35% and still have best company in the business. Wow, 55% shareholding. When you are in so company. Also, when you are in a private firm to also partner the existing private firm to transform the fortunes of the company around that. I mean, the minister is not helping President Kufuor.
na adenti na eye Razak aya na aban nyuma mu ana enyuma akodo abehwe na aban no eye the majority shareholder wo mu ana yatoto na sesa na fe later na ye ye pre adwuma aba oban no mu na ye gu eye se enyuma
Aya wo se president no o wa dream papa mo man no president ultimately one day so one factory industrializing Ghana to attain Ghana beyond aid, you know. It clearly tells you say how President Kufuor is serious about job creation, how President Kufuor is serious about industrialization of Ghana. But some of the appointees no, is not helping him to achieve the Ghana beyond aid vision. They are establishing companies through one day so one factory. Me I said that now an existing company about 55% shareholding will have by Friday. Is the appointees in that sector are they serious? Are they helping the government? Is it an embarrassment to them?
Na sese no mo hwehwe mo na de say ye close no down na wa masa revamp na bereben mahu zade
Man, yeah, according to documents in our possession, no, management number KBR said if government come to their aid, on better fresh my phone no matter back because you know, because according to Marjorie, me you know. Yati company, who Marjorie who 55%, me who 45%, who 55%, you know, after the year, who fee company in the be alcohol baby other. And a 45 and a me brain a me case. I mean, and yet sustainable. Until say who Marjorie will be coming on board fully. Now, we cannot make sure say a company no every and also to the benefit of our staff. The benefit of our working. And the minister has not shown any level of seriousness towards that company. No level of seriousness.
Because Obeka, ben you buy yes somewhere 2018 adwuma foi original pa na wo mo ka se aban entwa na ni hwe eye company.
Aban en fi wo mo. O ka se aban a me fan she president Kufuor for be the agent pa president Kufuor. Sector minister then few of them. All the corresponding letters of Acha could up to now, few of them. I'm saying sector minister no one more Kufuor and the Kufuor should fire him or now my company close that by Friday. He has no business to be a minister or any deputy now.
But you can't
spending taxpayers' money to import foreign passes, whereby our local company are more the capacity. Over demonstrating that competence for Metro Mass and other organizations over the period. Yes, Carmen and Guba Friday. That means you, sector minister, you are incompetent. You are not serious.
Okay. Na ebi sector minister. Adia no or the afa appropriate quarters so na emi anu yie na mai. A wodi wani abere ni so.
I know you never. You keep pushing. You keep pushing. Put me from share baby. You have to keep pushing. That's why you are put there. Akufo-Addo to change the move everywhere. That is why he has delegated. And what delegate you are, baby, I want to also making sure that all the agencies, all the companies, all any establishment that government will interest you know, what manage and also to the glory of the president, to the glory of the government, to the benefit of Ghanaian society. So if you are not doing that, what is your business being there as a minister?
Yasha 12 December 1974. A year New Plan Ghana Company Limited. Ye done the D. Sir, a baby a na o man ani kwa ho na ye hwe ne ye kurakura na ka fa yimpo na ka ye dure.
Oh hene, chazare who na me cheso this now ye government, MPP government. Now na dan kwa Akufo-Addo government. Now ye hwe ma company e close down by Friday. It's an embarrassment to Dan Kwabuzi tradition. Why am I saying that? Because this company Chase Obuzi Abreso. The certain government, Oman said there are few Omar to president before taking over reins of power. In 2002, President before you soon New Plan Ghana Limited as a backbone to establish Metro Mass. Our more contract, more about 450 passes for Metro Mass Transit Limited. Since then, that contract new in 2010 under NDC administration. Professor Ahmed few or more. Muhammad Swen few or more. Now another MPP government about. Yes, you have a 3 years down the line. You have a trauma book enough to sit down under our watch, under our reign, to get embarrassment as a government that is believing in public-private partnership. As a government is believing in nationalizing Ghana. We propose one day to one factory. We shouldn't have to sit down for New Plan Ghana Limited to collapse on Friday. Our work is in the If it happens, the president should fire the sector minister.
Barazak, what is boy your Professor Mills? Now go for the currency, also when few more. Or my parent that John Dramani Mahama, also when few more. It is a way so yet Manugua, not just His Excellency, and another Akufo-Addo when few more.
Akufo-Addo, yes, sir. When I made sure that we are president won't take because president has so many duties and obligations. If you are a man, if you are sector minister, then found to even cabinet, if you could do the president, you are elected the president through your biggest platform.
Okay.
Because we are sure say how seriousness our president is towards the decentralization of Ghana or also moving Ghana beyond aid. That same we are photo president. There's no way our president will feel to a company in collapse by Friday. And Akufo-Addo will never do that. Maybe the minister has not brought to his attention. So the blame should be on the minister.
Razak Yedansa no pay.
That's why.
Yani Razak Kojopoku or a convener the Maya Concerned Voters Movement.
Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.